Babina Specialty Hospital ki Doctor Amana flight manungda khudong thiningai asmana maram oiraga anaba horokpa patient ama kanba ngamkri Tokyo dagi Delhi tamna pairakpa Air India ki flight amada asmana maram oiraga anaba horokpa patient ama matam chana American Oncology Institute Babina Super Specialty Hospital ki Dr. Lonnie Lerina kanba ngamkri Dr. Lonnie na phongdorakpada patient adu acute asthma attack torakpadagi matam chana flight yauna oxygen support nebulization amade kolai khara khakna pungkhai amarong kupna yengsilaba matungda punsi kanba ngamhokibani hairi.
So emergencies happen anywhere, anytime. During my flight, international flight from Tokyo to Delhi, which was a 10-hour flight, Air India flight, there was a medical emergency halfway during the flight on board. So there was, just 2 hours before landing, there was an announcement saying that there's a medical emergency requiring of a doctor immediately. So when I stood up and went to check what was going on, the whole crew was in panic mode, asking what to do. So I checked, there was a young lady who was gasping for breath, and she was on asking further questions. She said she was having chest pain, and when we checked her vitals, her pulse was very feeble. Her BP was around 80 to 60. Then her pulse rate, heart rate was around 160, and her saturation was around 80% with that oxygen given. So on further asking her history, she was on all patient of asthma as a kid, currently not on any medications. And during that time, the crew asked whether they would have to do an emergency landing because of this situation. But I asked them that we would give the medications and see further after some time whether it settles or not. So by the grace of God, this is a situation which we deal on a daily basis in my workplace. So we were able to administer the drugs which was available on board, and after around 20-30 minutes she did settle down, and we were able to save the patient, and thanks by the grace of God everything went fine, and we were able to go about with our flight and reach our destination in time.